All right, guys and gals, it's Thursday and it's time to go thrifting. And of course, when we get back, we'll check out this thrift haul. All right, guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. Of course, I'm Ronnie. This is Flip Flop Nation. I'm here at Flip Flop Nation headquarters, aka the kitchen. And of course, we went thrifting. So let's check out what we found. All right, I went to South Carolina, hit up my 3 usual Goodwills, and our very first stop, well, we spent $25 at our very first stop. Let's see what we got here. I picked up this linen blend cool shirt. K-U-H-L, cool. So I can get a look at that logo there. Cool, great brand, outdoor brand. But this is a linen blend, short sleeve. I actually found 2 of these. I've got this brown plaid one, and then I got this greenish blue plaid one as well. I'm thinking $25 each. It's a great time to buy linen blend. So I paid $3.75 each. I think I can get $25 each. All right, so I also found this brand new with tag, Wilson's leather, brown suede vest. Just a little button-up vest. Brand new with tag. I paid $3.75 for this as well. And I think I can get $30 for this. Brand new with tag. Of course, if somebody offers me, something less, I'll probably take it. All right, our next item is this long sleeve hooded Harley Davidson jacket. This is a lady's jacket. It's a Harley Davidson. It's got that vintage distressed look to it. Of course, I'm thinking 25, 30 bucks for this. Paid $5.75, I believe. Now, next item is this new sealed Melnor Sunrise once a day water timer. Brand new in the package. I mean, pull some comps on this, and of course, I'm thinking I can get $20. I paid $4 for it. $4. And the last item I picked up is this Stephen King book. Of course, I'll take this and we'll put that in our Stephen King lot, which I've got several of them. I need to lot together and get them listed. Because of course, if I don't get them listed, I'll never get paid, right? So I got to do that. All right, so that was the very first stop. Like I said, I paid $25 for all that stuff. Now, our next stop, well, I paid $24.75. Let's check out what we got here. The very first item is this. Now, this is a big pair of shorts, but it's a heavy cotton polo Ralph Lauren vintage polo Ralph Lauren heavy cotton cargo shorts. Of course, I paid, I think, $3.75 for the shorts. And of course, I think I can get 25. Now, our next item is this pair of Levi's 511, Levi 511 white jeans. Of course, they're distressed. We got some distress in there and there. No stains. Great looking pair of jeans. thinking $25 for those. I paid $5.75 for the jeans. Now, I also paid $5.75 for this pair of pants here. These are Ariat Rebar M4 relaxed straight jeans or pants, good work pant. Of course, this is a great brand to be on the lookout for. These right here, they do have some staining, some minor staining, minor distressing, but these are work pants. The guys that are going to buy these, well, they don't mind a little bit of staining, a little bit of distressing on these. So, of course, I'm thinking $35 maybe for these. Again, paid $5.75. All right, what's next on the list? I picked up this pair of swim trunks. This is Polo Ralph Lauren. I mean, y'all know what the tag looks like. Just Polo Ralph Lauren, all over print, the embroidered ponies. Just your standard swim trunk, pay $3.75. I think we can get 20 bucks. Again, somebody makes me an offer, we'll probably take a little less. Here we have denim Wrangler unlined denim trucker jacket. There's the tag. I believe this is a vintage one. And I say vintage, you know, more Y2K, late 90s. I'm thinking, not 100% sure, but denim jacket, of course, would sell better in the fall, but, you know, they're still selling. We'll list it, you know. I'm thinking 25, 30 bucks. Paid $5.75 for the jacket. There we go. That was thrift store number 2. And, well, we went to 3, so let's check out number 3. At number 3, I actually spent $9 at the third thrift store. I kept a t-shirt for myself, so we'll deduct $1.50 off that, so $7.50. Picked up another Stephen King book. Throw that in the lot. Now, here we have Coogie Heritage, heavy stitching, heavy, you know, what would you call it? Embroidered on this shirt here. Great size, 2XL, Coogie. Here's the tag. I'm thinking, now I would typically list this a little more. Now they only charge me $1.50 for this. They charge me as a t-shirt price, but it does have some minor stains on it that I did not see, but I still think it'll sell. A little bit here as well, but I still think it'll sell because it's nothing major. Just a few small little, I'm thinking 20 bucks at least. If it didn't have the stains, I'd go for 25, 30. All right, our last item out of the bunch is this Polo Ralph Lauren. Of course, it's a cotton polo, but the good thing about it is it's the big pony. You got the big pony here. You got this crest right here. And of course, you got the little number 2 on the side. These are very desirable, the big pony shirts. This one right here is a 2XL, classic fit. I'm thinking 35 maybe for this. So there you go. Overall, I spent something like 58, I think like 58 something, close to $60. But I'll put that information on the screen like I always do. But I spent around $60, and I'm thinking everything about $325, something like that. So, you know, not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, wished it would have been better. No home runs in the bunch today, but hey, just getting back from vacation, getting back out there thrifting. Hopefully we can find some yard sales to hit up this weekend, but there's not a whole lot in my area. A lot of times we're pretty rural, but maybe we can find a yard sale or two. Of course, we're gonna get all of this stuff listed online. We're gonna sell it on eBay, Poshmark. You know, got that auto posture, trying it out, just helping me out. You know, being able to cross list. It's been doing good so far. Yeah, we're gonna get all this here figured out, listed. Hopefully we can make some money this weekend, and of course we're gonna go back, of course, thrifting next week. So hopefully we can get some video of actually thrifting maybe next week. I know I've heard some people saying, hey, why can't, you know, I like the haul videos, but I also like watching you go thrifting as well and finding those treasures. So hopefully I can be able to do that. Trying to think what else. I don't know what else. But hey, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a big old thumbs up. You know, share it out to your friends. Subscribe if you have not already. And of course, you know, well, hit that notification bell because I will be putting out more videos. And until next time, well, we'll be seeing ya.